Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the new recruitment which is DRDO apprenticeship program, and in that there are different branches of engineering is eligible to apply that particular post. Apart from engineering, few other degrees are also required. If you want, they can apply for that post as well. So you need to stay at the end of the video, and what was the basic details required, all those things we will discuss in this video. And if you have any type of query and if you want one-to-one interaction, then do join our Telegram channel which I have mentioned in the description box. So let's begin with the videos. So as you are aware of that, Government of India has tied up with the apprenticeship program of different organization, and DRDO is also part of that. So they have released the engagement for the graduate technician diploma as well as trade apprentice as per the Act of 1961. So ITR is the integrated test range, is the branch of it, is subsidiaries of DRDO, because it's basically part of DRDO, and they have released a different apprentice program for the different category. For the first one, they have released for the computer science, and total number of vacancies was 11. Going ahead with that, and one more thing, the basic salary which they have provided as per the Government Act 1961, you need to have a 9,000 per month in graduate apprenticeship program. In that category, for the computer, there are total 11 posts in that all the computer branches like computer science and engineering, computer science, communication and computer engineering, communication and computer engineering, information technology and computer science and system engineering, and so many which they have mentioned over here. Similarly, going ahead with the other branches like BE Tech in electrical, total 11 posts are there, and in that electrical engineering, instrumentation technology, electronics and telecommunication engineering, and other branches as well like electrical and electronic engineering, and few of the other branches is applicable for that particular post. If you want, you can just go through it of that particular video which I have mentioned over in a description box or a Telegram channel. Similarly, going ahead with the mechanical, BE Tech in mechanical engineering, total number of posts was 4, and if you want, you can apply over there because the certificate which you get in the DRDO is very well reputed organization. Which going ahead with the similarly in a diploma, they have provided total number of vacancy was 10 for the diploma candidate, and similarly for the diploma in different branches like computer, similarly which I have explained earlier, like computer and computer science engineering, computer and information engineering, computer technology. Similarly for the electrical and electronic, electrical and telecommunication, other branches as well. The difference is that for the diploma candidate like a technician, in that you need to get around 8,000 rupees, and for the degree it's around 9,000 rupees. Similarly for the diploma in mechanical, there are total 3 posts, for the electrical diploma in 5 posts, similarly civil with 2 posts, and other branches as well which you mention over here. And for the ITI, they have mentioned over there, because I am not covering that part. If you anyone have that particular discipline, then do mention in comment box. I'll definitely going ahead, I'll carefully observe and make a video on that as well. So basically the term and condition was that if you have already passed out your degree, then you are eligible to apply. And one more thing, they have mentioned that the fresh pass out from the passing year 2019-2021, if the candidate who is already passed before 2019, then they are not eligible for filling that particular form. And they have also mentioned a few of the candidates which is postgraduate, they are not eligible to apply. And those candidates who has completed the qualifying degree as per the regular are only eligible to apply. Some of the cases are part-time degrees also eligible, but in that you need to complete your degree as a full degree. Do not go any distance learning or other things. And the period of training is for 12 months, that is 1 year, and after 1 year you need to leave the organization, because as per the 1960 Apprentice Act, you need to work only for the 12 months in of any of the organization which is going through government apprenticeship program. Going ahead with that, they have also, once you have selected, you need to go with the medical fitness which is required for the each and every organization, and there is no TAD will be paid as applicant called in any stage of selection process. As you are aware of that, few of the organization for the interview they will provide the traveling allowance and other things, but in that case you will not pay any of the things during the interview and other things. So for the online application will start from the websites, that is rec.gov.in, from the 1st of November 2021 to 15th of November 2021 till 5:30 p.m. So you need to register before that, and few other process they have mentioned over there. Just take down, because they have mentioned like sometimes the candidate are more, then might be they have conducted the written examination as well. but there is not fixed like possibility that exam has been conducted or not. Also mentioned that the candidate who is already like clear with the examination, they might be undergo with the interview process, virtual interview process, which is handled by online. And if they have qualified, then they will selected as a final candidate for the apprenticeship program. So that's all for this video. If you need any other things, do mention in comment box, and if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.